Outstanding morning EDCOINers. Welcome to the MASTER EDCOIN Wallet App tutorial for the conversion of EDCOIN to EDPOINTS using the web version of Mi Wallet. The MASTER EDCOIN Wallet is the all-in-one wallet for all things EDCOIN. In this video, you will learn how to convert your EDCOIN into EDPOINTS. Please visit https://miapp.ed-coin.io to access the web version of MASTER EDCOIN Wallet. This is recommended for desktop, laptop, and tablet users who prefer using a web browser. This is also suitable for internet browsers on Apple and iOS devices. Click on Sign In. Enter your username or email. Enter your password. Click on I am not a robot. Answer the Captcha by selecting the images requested. Then click on Verify. Then click on Sign In. Select Email Authentication or Authy. In this example, Authy is selected. Please obtain your Authy code from your Google Authenticator. Enter the Authy code, then click on Verify. You now have access to your Mi Wallet account. Click on Conversion and select EDPOINTS app. In this example, the account was KYC'd in the Philippines, and thus the conversion rate that is shown is for the Philippines. Your conversion rate will depend on the country of your KYC. Enter a valid EDA number. In this example, we have entered a Philippines-based EDA number. Then click on Verify. You'll see this message if the EDA number you have entered is valid. Check if the name is correct. Enter the amount of EDCOIN you wish to convert into EDPOINTS. Click on Convert. Click on Proceed. Once again, select either Email Authentication or Authy. In this example, we select Authy. Enter your Authy code. Click on Verify. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your EDCOIN into EDPOINTS for your specified EDA account. MASTER EDCOIN Wallet. Let's build forward together.